time up there too. Splash Dogs is all about having fun with your dog. Doesn't matter how far they jump, it's how much fun you and your dog are having. 12 feet 9 inches for Halo's first jump. So she jumped a little early, so Dad's going to send her back. Or him. Her, him, something. German Shepherd, Chihuahua, whatever. Handlers do have 3 minutes to get their jump off, so it's going to reset her. You want to start your dog. You don't want your dog to start you, or that turns into bad habits. So you take the time, take them back, reset them, make them know who the boss is. Second jump's going to be just a tad shorter, it looks like. 12 feet 6 inches. We have one more competitive jump at 5:30 this evening. We'll be back here tomorrow with a competitive jump at 1 o'clock, and then our finals will start at 3 o'clock.
And that song from Brad Paisley that you just heard on the highway brings me to this little ditty that I found out yesterday. Ryan Lochte, Olympic star, admits that he pees in the Olympic pool. Ew. So clearly that thing that your dad told you about drawing a big giant red circle around you.
Second jump's going to be a little shorter for Halo. 12 feet 9 inches.
Flash about 2 songs.